Wait, I forgot to put something. I will be right back. That's much better.
Guys, let's play some games on this Commodore 64.
Good idea. G major 326.
Are you serious? I just turned it on and now it
Wait a
crashed.
second. Opening Barney Error. Exe? What does this mean?
It means we got a Barney Error. And I'm scared of Barney Errors.
Not the Barney Error.
Not this
Why did I get an error?
Does it look like I care? No.
Who cares? I will just turn it off.
No, please don't.
What have you done? We are having
What
punishments.
have I done?
You know exactly what you did.
And
This is my
how
first time seeing a Barney
exactly?
error.
G major 154. Stop
It
saying
means
dot.
that we will have punishments.
Oh no, not the punishments. I'm scared of punishments.
Id. Stop swearing.
Stop saying 1 and 0.
Oh my god, everything is so scary.
G major 21.
Hey, G major 21.
Stop swearing right now, Barney. Guys, you need to calm down.
And your font is supposed to be Kristen ITC.
Not to
the
Barney's.
Silent font.
Barney's.
No, I don't like IT now.
ITLOL. LOLLOL.
Stop.
Stop saying 9. Why did you change your voice?
I said
Stop swearing right now. G major 154 does not change voices.
Press Eleanor on the North
Because
House.
she's extremely brave.
Audio D-Whisk.
Now's not the time.
Scared of Barney Errors, and you aren't.
Real.
No, not the punishment. Anything but punishments.
Stop saying that.
Why are you all screaming?
Not the mega
It's not that
punishment.
loud.
Grounded threats doesn't affect us.
That's IT. I will say. Universe recycling symbol hash cross mark one exclamation mark one heavy exclamation mark symbol hash bubble exclamation mark one one sign hash bubble exclamation mark hash Japanese symbol forget triple sign capital letter and circle hash wheel symbol hash men's symbol women's symbol big symbol heavy black hash yellow hot blue hot green hot black hot zero hash one hash two hash three hash four hash five hash six hash seven hash eight hash nine hash 10 input symbol for letters input symbol for capital letters input symbol for lowercase letters input symbol for symbols black hash black hash black hash diamond hash Chilean Chinese commerce Colombian European Union Portugal hamburger maple bunch chips pancakes cookies slice of cake tango shake ice ice cream rice crackle rice rice bowl cinnamon hash cherry blossom music baby girl woman boy man old woman spotlight hot too hot revolving hot weird face crime face loud crime face time face confounded face persevering face white frowning face hash face word face confused face smiley frowning face disappointed face smiley face hashtag left and right arrow hash unused face smoking face smiley face hashtag up and down arrow hash smiling face with sunglasses no face face with tongue sticking out relief face face frowning kiss smiley face smiling face with hello face with teaser joy smiling face white smiling face hash smiling face with
Free angels, stop saying emojis. It's been 5 hours.
I'm scared of what's gonna happen.
So you like to jump scare people, eh? Well, think again, because you don't scare me.
Now look, what have you done? You made Penny cry. Shame on you.
Her Penny.
There's no need to cry.
Penny, don't cry. It's gonna be okay.
You keep yelling.
Not the crash punishment.
Penny, please don't cry. It's gonna be okay.
Why did you block the whole video with the BB's item?
Now I can't see what's happening right now. Shame on you.
Nitrogen monoxide.
Stop saying nitrogen monoxide.
I hate Barney Error. Elisita and Penny, stop crying.
Stop summoning my logo.
G major 181, G major 286, G major 289, G major 306, G major 389.
Poor Penny.
Number. Stop saying number.
Elisita and Penny, please stop crying.
Stop crying.
Lulu, our Commodore 64 is gone.
Wait, I forgot to put something. I will be right back. That's much better.